Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our channel Learning Hub with Fun. Today we will read the lesson of class 5, unit 3, A reading page number 40. So, let's get start. Follow as I read. Together we live. In Siripuram village, it did not rain for 3 years. The pound was now a wide stretch of caked earth. Thirsty animals crowded around puddles of dirty water. Women went very far in search of water and returned with pots of water balanced over their heads and some fodder for the cattle tucked under their arms. We must leave our village, the village head announced. If we wait any longer, our people and cattle will fall sick. The people of Siripuram village became moving reluctantly from the land of their forefathers. The elderly and children sat in the carts alongside pots, pans, bundles of clothes, and some furniture. After a long journey of the several days, the villagers reached a small town in a green valley. They hoped to find some work and shelter there. This seems a prosperous town, they thought. The rivers are full and the lush green fields are so inviting. They reached Shantinagar. Their tired legs refused to carry them anymore. So they sat in the town square. Gopanna and other bought some cool water from a well. The tired people gulped it down thirstily, but water did not keep the hunger away for long. They looked longingly towards the houses, hoping to be offered some work and some food as payment, but the doors remained shut. Did the town people welcome them? What would the villagers do then? Gopanna thought, my people are too hungry and tired to go any further. If the other towns too are unfriendly, we will wander endlessly. I have to do something, he said to himself, and went to the village head and said, we have to do something now. As we have water here, I can prepare ganji with a magic smell. The villager head agreed. Gopanna quickly collected four small rocks and placed them near one another in the middle of the town square. The town people peeped out of their windows and found Gopanna working busily. Gopanna fetched some firewood and threw it into the rocks and lit it. He picked a large pot from the villagers belonging and filled it with 3 quarters of water. He placed it on the fire. The town people looked curiously. The water boiled. Gopanna stood in front of the pot and said, Dija, Doja, Ikla, Ela, Magia, Ganji, Misto, Isa, Listo. We will have some delicious magic Ganji. Ah, it smells so delicious, Gopanna said loudly. If only I had a little rice, it would taste heavenly. A door creaked open, and old woman walked slowly towards the square with some rice. Thank you. He accepted the rice and added it to the boiling water. After a few minutes, actually, it is just missing a little jeera powder, he said. Soon one more door opened, and a little boy ran down to jeera powder. Gopanna accepted it and added it to the ganji. The ganji does smell good, said the little boy. Thank you, young boy, said Gopanna. It is ready to serve. A dash of salt and pepper is all it needs, he said. The local grocer rushed to his shop and bought them right away. Thank you, generous one. Please stay and share our magic ganji, Gopanna said. Some women fetched bowls from their homes and others bought some onions and green chilies to go with the ganji. All the town people and the villagers shared the hot, delicious ganji together. They smiled at each other. The town heard, sorry, the town had said, our friends from Siripuram can stay here as long as they want. We are very grateful to you, Honorable Sir, said the village head. We want work. God willing, we will return to our village soon. So, that is all for today, children. Hope we will meet in the next video with an explanation of this lesson. Thank you.